The patient problem I want your perspective on is how do you suggest a patient takes care of multiple restorations at the same time in their mouth, right? Especially if many of them are amalgam too. And generally, patients get very nervous with, especially with the literature present today and whatnot, and amalgam being constantly replaced by composite. People have started to get very worried about their 6 or 7 fillings that are amalgam based. Would you like to debunk this myth a little for our patients?
Okay, to be very honest, you see, yes, there was a big hype about amalgams and Alzheimer's and all these other, issues. Sometimes, yes, it is related. It's very individual to the patients. I have seen myself patients who had lichen planus with a lot of amalgam fillings, and when you replace the amalgams, their lichen planus was almost gone.
Huh.
So you see that. But in general, if you see the massive, I mean, in UK, you would see they would be doing prophylactic amalgam fillings. You see these patients with huge fillings, amalgam fillings. Now you have to be very careful. I never advise the patient to remove the amalgam and replace them for composites for cosmetics.
ठीक है.
The patients will say, "बुरा लगता है." Bhai,
कौन देख रहा है?
it's at the back, it doesn't show. And also, it is more hazardous removing that amalgam.
Absolutely.
Then you must have a very high speed suction, and you have to make sure you collect all the amalgam, then disposing that amalgam. So I tell the patient that whatever mercury had to be leached out has leached out into your body. Now, whether that amalgam filling stays or not is another issue. It really of no consequences, but there are different schools of thought. So that's my school of thought. So I don't encourage patients to remove, because once you've removed the amalgam, then I see then asking for composites. Now, no matter how good your composites, sometimes they don't last forever.
Of course.
They break, the bonding has a problem, and the contacts have a problem. So then the patient says, my old filling was much better, was 40 years old,
Absolutely.
and now with this amalgam, it keeps
In 3
coming
months it's
out.
out.
Yeah, with this composite, it keeps coming out. So it's a different way. And you don't want to crown all these teeth, of course, either.
Of course, that was the point I was coming towards.
So you don't want to do that aggressive procedure के composite डाल के you want to crown them. So that's
जिस दांत को
another-
बचाने के लिए फिलिंग की थी, वो उसी दांत की अब जो है शामत आ गई है.
So you have to address patients from the perspective of the patient, but yet give them scientific evidence and tell them what is good and what is not